How to link Twitch to Discord. Want to connect your Twitch account to Discord and show off your live streams or subscriber perks? I will guide you through linking Twitch to Discord in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, launch the Discord app on your phone or desktop and log in. Now, go to User Settings. Click or tap the gear icon next to your username, bottom left on desktop and bottom right on mobile. Scroll down and tap Connections. Tap the Twitch icon from the list of available platforms. You will be redirected to Twitch login page. Sign in and authorize Discord to connect with your Twitch account. Your Twitch account is now linked to Discord. Your live status, subscriber perks, and Twitch info can now show on your profile and server. Tip: if you are a server owner, you can set up Twitch subscriber roles in your Discord server to reward your viewers. And that's it. Linking Twitch to Discord is super easy and helps you connect better with your community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.